Our next nomination category, ladies and gentlemen, is for European quality. This distinction is presented for the desire to achieve high-quality products and services in accordance with European standards. Award recommendation is based on the results of research of a group of analytical centres affiliated with EBA, business media, embassies, chambers of commerce and industry, information from sociological agencies. Amongst the nominees are leading enterprise in their countries and regions that have state and international certificates, as well as other confirmations of quality of their products. The European Quality Award is presented to TesTop from Mozambique. The CEO is Munir Sacoor.